Alrighty, I know you are all dying to hear the many things I have to say to you because you know I'm chatty and I've just been sitting here by myself. To check the feedback that I give to you, you can go to your grades. See, I've got a grade here, notification. So if you click on that and then find the one that has, ooh, I'm clicking on stuff, uh, a score for it, and then this little comment box. See that? That means I have made a comment for you. So then you read through what I said. Always be looking for this all caps point because that's when you have earned a point for the class. So check it out and you can see it there. I believe on your home screen, if you've set it up to see your notifications up here, you should be able to see that there has been a new comment made for you, and then you could click on it there as well. For test student, I must not have that set up, so it's not there. But check out the feedback that I leave for you. Please, please, please. It saves us both time. Then you don't have to wonder why you got the grade that you got, so check it out.